Are you a little frog? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Sit down, Bear. Tell Bear to sit down.
Sit down.
Tell Bear, get down, Bear.
Sit down.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Does Kathy tell you to say cheese? Yeah. And then what does she do? Does she take your picture? Does she take your picture? Are you catching flies? Can you... Oh! Did you get one? No. Are you a frog?
No.
No. Are you a cat? No. Are you a monkey?
No. Duck.
You're a duck? What does a duck say?
Cat, cat, cat.
What does a kitty cat say?
Oh no.
Is that what a kitty cat says? What does a cat say?
Oh
What kind of cat says, oh no? What does a dog say?
no. Woof, woof.
Yeah. What does a cow say? That sounds like a sad cow. Is your cow sad? Yeah. What does a chicken say?
Bop, bop, bop.
Yeah. What does a sheep say?
Bah,
Yeah. What does a lion say?
bah.
What did I miss? What other animals are there? What didn't Mom...
Fun.
A frog? What does a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. That's pretty good. What does a Maggie say? Catching more flies. He's... Can you say night night?
Night, night.
Night night.